Setting up an iPhone or iPad with enterprise settings via a mobile config file. This format delivers device configuration profiles for Apple devices. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to install these Apple mobile configuration profile files. For those who want the most versatile tool, it's coming, and it features my favorite single MOBILECONFIG file inspection utility that is compatible with hundreds of formats. MOBI. Config files are configuration profile files used by Apple iOS, iPadOS, and macOS devices to deploy settings such as Wi-Fi credentials, VPN configurations, email accounts, certificates, and security policies. They enable IT administrators and users to configure devices consistently through a single signed profile file. Mobile config files use an XML property list plist format with payload sections defining specific configuration settings. The file may be cryptographically signed and optionally encrypted, ensuring authenticity and integrity. Apple's configuration profile. Reference documents the supported payload types and required keys for valid profiles. The mobile config data container is optimally managed by Apple Configurator 2 developed by Apple. Proper management of the file's internal compression logic requires a dedicated utility. Windows cannot parse mobile configuration or data files, so proper handling needs compatible tools. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's data block. Right-click the mobile config file and click Open With. Test Apple Configurator 2 first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The correct tool is key. If you are still having trouble opening the MOBILECONFIG file, do not worry. Errors with the MOBILECONFIG format usually come down to a small, critical detail. Let's review our checklist now and verify all necessary components. First, installing on iOS or iPadOS. Email or download the mobile config file to your iOS or iPadOS device. Tap the file to open it, and the system prompts to install the profile through the Settings app. Review the profile contents in the Settings General VPN and Device Management section, then enter your passcode to complete installation. Next, installing on macOS. Double-click the MOBILECONFIG file on macOS. The system opens the Profile section in System Settings on macOS Ventura and later, or System Preferences on earlier versions. Review the profile details and click Install to apply the settings. Provide administrator credentials when prompted to authorize the installation. Finally, editing in Apple Configurator. Open the mobile config file in Apple Configurator 2 on macOS to inspect or edit profile contents. Configurator provides a graphical interface for all payload types, simplifying creation and modification of configuration profiles. Sign the profile with an enterprise certificate before deployment to manage devices for trusted installation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.